Time now for your forewarned weather with Garrett James.
Welcome back. It's time for a check of our weather with meteorologist Garrett James, who joins us live from southern Utah. And Garrett, I don't know if you heard about it earlier, but the heat has gotten so bad. We have I-215 that started to buckle today.
Yeah, I saw that just a couple minutes ago, and the heat, well, it's not going anywhere anytime soon, as the weather pattern is actually more favorable for more heat. We'll talk about that here in just a minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar, because we are tracking a few showers, and there's been a couple storms out there. We can see all the way in the southeastern part of Utah, we can see just a couple showers out that way at the present time. They were thunderstorms earlier this afternoon, but they are starting to weaken. And the futurecast shows that these will continue for the next couple of hours. However, a lot of that moisture is going to be leaving the area overnight, and after that, the futurecast, well, we can see right here, it really dries up and shows that we should be staying fairly dry for tomorrow. I'm not going to roll out an isolated shower or two, mainly right around this area right here, kind of straddling right around the I-70 corridor east of I-15. However, I will say that most of this moisture is going to be east of us, closer to the Rockies, and I think most, if not everybody, should stay dry heading over into tomorrow and even Thursday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the storm threat. We can see the storms developed just as they should. General risk for thunderstorms for the remainder of the evening. Just a few hit and miss thunderstorms will be possible. Tomorrow shows dry. Same goes for Thursday. Could be a few showers out towards the Four Corners region. However, I really do think that the Beehive State should be staying dry. Let's go ahead and take a look at the overall upper level weather pattern. I talked about a minute ago, the heat is building and it's going to continue to build. And this is exactly why. High pressure system set up just to our southeast over towards New Mexico. That's going to be moving back to the west, and the center of that high pressure system is going to allow for temperatures to continue to climb, especially as we head into the weekend and as we head into next week. Things are looking hotter. So while we're seeing sunny skies out there right now, temperatures definitely on the warm side of things. And out at ABC4, we can see sunny skies. Same goes for St. George right now. Temperature here currently 102, 97. Salt Lake City 92, in Logan 94, Ogden 93, in Provo. So temperatures on the hot side right now, and it's windy in some places. 21-mile-per-hour winds in Blanding, 30-mile-per-hour wind gust in Cedar City, 36 in Milford at the present time. However, the overall wildfire threat for the remainder of the day continues to remain along and east of I-15 between Provo and St. George, and that does include Eli. But tomorrow they do drop that elevated risk, and we will be looking at conditions staying dry though. Look at lows tonight: 55 Elko, 72 Wendover, 64 in Delta, 59 Beaver, 65 Blanding, 73 in Moab, 61 in Vernil. Then we're seeing the 70s in St. George, but temperatures staying in the triple digits for Hanksville, Moab, and St. George for highs tomorrow, with it near that for the Wasatch Front. 99 degrees for the high on Wednesday, 99 on Thursday, 96 Friday. Like I said, as we head towards the weekend and towards next week, temperatures going to get hotter, about 100 on Monday, 102 on Tuesday. But for St. George, looking to be about 10 degrees hotter towards next week. 105 on Wednesday, 105 on Thursday. Then we're going to be looking at roughly 107 by Friday, 109 Saturday. Sunday, looking roughly at about 111, 113 by the time we get to Monday. So make sure that you are staying hydrated and staying cool, especially if you have any plans to spend any extra time outside. Courtney, back to you.